Hi, this video is basically about a small introduction of TradingView software. Just type in TradingView India, go to the link. So this is a very huge software and many things to learn about. Now just uh, try to learn about chart trading. Now come to the chart and double click. Before that, actually you can sign in with your email ID. So double click on the charts. Maybe first time when you open it, you will be having a window something like this. So when you come across this, go to this settings here and just clear the list, make this empty. So after that, press this button, and it vanishes off. And this is the window where we'll be analyzing the charts. This is the page. After after coming to this page, you basically have to concentrate on a few things. That is here. The ticker option, you can type in any symbols like Reliance, and we get the chart of Reliance Industries. Let's say Wipro. You get the chart. After the ticker symbol, you have the time frame. The time frame ranges from 1 second to actually 1 month, but the for the free users, we basically get from 1 minute to 1 month. We can shift any time frame from 1 minute to 1 month over here, but we basically now for the people will be using 1 day and 1 hour. That's it. 1 day, 1 hour, maybe few times 1 week and 1 month also. So whenever you want to change the time frame, you can actually also come over here and can change here. If not, you can directly come over here, star 1 hour and 1 day. So you basically get two options here, 1 hour and 1 day. You come to 1 day, then you can come to 1 hour. You can view the charts. After the charts, we have another option, that is candles and different uh, charts styles. So there are so many styles over here. There are something called bars, aloe candles, lines, etc. But the most efficient thing is the candles. So the candle is the most important thing that should be learning, and I will teach that. And you are not going to change anything in these settings particularly. And this part is indicators, and I think you'll be learning about this in the future. So after learning about ticker tape, the symbol name, the time frame, then the different kind of charts types, and then indicators, then we are going to lines. We can actually do anything over here in this page. We can draw lines. There are so many things in the line itself. We can draw angle line, you can draw horizontal line, you can draw vertical line. So there are basically so many things over here, and all these things will be made use when we draw patterns. So our work here is to go to variety of companies charts. We will just search into or peek into as many charts as possible, and as and when you learn about and been thought about the patterns, just go to the charts and try to identify those patterns. So just for the sake of example, I can give you an example over here. You can see clearly there is something called as falling wedge pattern, which basically looks like this, where the wave converges gradually, and after some point it actually gives a breakout, And in the historical chart we have seen that after the breakout usually that particular stock has given a huge return for next 1 month. You can see over here after this huge convergence the stock has given returns of 16% in just 17 days. That is 1% one day, where the bank gives or FD gives 6% per annum. So this basically you will find lines and some other stuff to draw patterns. And moreover, what you need here is there is nothing you want to learn over here. Actually, when you come here, you have brush. You can actually write something if you want. Then there is highlighter, and also there is something called rectangle that you can actually make use of this also. So when particularly here I'm drawing a line, if in case the region is quite wider, quite wide, I will use this thing. Then there is something called text actually, also some other options over here. You can use text as and when we go through so many charts. If we think there is something about this particular chart, we can actually use make use of this text. You come here, click it, and actually you can write whatever you want over here and it will be saved here. So when you come across or when you come back to the this particular chart after some time, you will be uh, it will be very nice to actually remember our view or thought about this particular chart when we first time came to this. So that's about the text part, and the important part here is long and short. So we can actually at present it is not required. So what it's okay a long position when you actually how to use it. So let's say the breakout has happened over here. You can see a clear breakout. The chart is being coming out of this particular pattern. So let's say I'm triggering a buy position to this to the Wipro at the price range of 420 430. I've I've set a long position there at 430. I'm clicking here, and this is just a charting platform, and this is not a trading platform. So this particular long position will help me realize my profit target and stop loss, and also my risk to reward ratios, and then on the target points and my stop loss points. So at any given day stock market can behave like anything. So whatever the patterns, whatever the strategies we use here is just and high probability trades, and it is not holy grail, and it is not 100% trades. So anything can happen in stock market, and we may not know this very well performing patterns can also go down and can hit our stop loss. So this particular thing called stop loss is very important. So it is basically to minimize our risk. Let's say this pattern is going to fail when it just banks down instead of going up. So when it is going opposite and pattern is not working, I'll just close my trade. When it is going well, I'll just keep my profit running. And to identify those my target and stop loss, this particular long position over here can be used. The same while the short position. So the beauty of stock market here is unlike other business where we first buy things and we sell at higher price to the other people, where we can also buy first and sell later, and another option is and sell first and buy later. So here I'm betting that stock is going up. On the other hand, I can also bet that the stock is gonna down from here. So I can also calculate my risk, my reward using these short positions. And this short position is basically very feasible in intraday and cannot be done for long positions like week, month, and year. On that, this only long positions and buy calls can be maintained for a week, a month, or year. So you can see this long and short you can use basically for the uh, target points and stop loss points before taking a trade, even though it is not very much important right away. And this particular icon actually can be used to calculate the percentage move of the particular stock. Let's say this Wipro has moved from 348 to 466 in the span of it's really tough to read in the chart, right? So basically use this icon. You press here to here, so you can get the Wipro has given 33.1% returns in 23 days. It is humongous move right over here. And catching this sort of a moves in stock market is what makes us rich. Highlight those points. Once you get those knacks, once you are an expert in reading charts, you are trying to find these big moves. That's it. And there's something called as indicators over here. Actually, we are also using some indicators. The volume is a basic one. Volume is when I zoom in. This particular candle, what you see here, is of 16th April, and this volume thing, what you're watching here, basically says us the number of contracts that is been bought and sold. If there is a big green candle and a big volume, basically means that this particular momentum will be continued further. And since it is very long um, process to teach and each and everything, I hope it's better to learn day by day by trial and error method, since we have much more time. And for the very uh, basic level, I have thought something uh, which is enough for now to actually open the charts and do something. And you can go through each and everything and do some trial and error, Google it, and you can learn everything. And any doubt, I'm absolutely here to answer.